Hey guys, Captain Rob here, getting ready to depart the dock, and it's kind of windy today. The gusts are kind of coming and going, but the wind's probably 10 to 12 sustained, something like that. And the wind is hitting me from the left rear corner of the boat, okay? And that's kind of weird. It's pushing me forward and into this dock too, okay? And so what I really encourage you guys to not necessarily depend on another person to help you to go boating. Try to figure this stuff out, practice on your own as much as possible. So if you do want to go out and no one's with you, you can go ahead and you can get that done. So I'm going to walk you through what I'm going to do in this situation. My camera person's not going to help me in any way, shape, or form. I'm going to act as if I'm alone. And so that being said, let's go ahead and let's start releasing the lines. Now, when it comes to releasing the lines, like I always say, guys, if the line isn't tight, it's a non-working line. If the line's tight, it's a working line. You always want to let off your working lines last, because as soon as you take that line off, the boat's going to move, okay? And so in this situation, we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull off these bow lines first. When I pull them off, nothing is going to happen because the boat is currently being pushed forward and to the left. So by releasing these lines, nothing's going to happen, okay? So no worries at all. Boat hasn't done anything. So now I'm going to go down to the side of the boat here. I'm going to release this this spring line, this forward spring line, and then I'm going to get on the boat to release the two stern lines, okay? And then we'll back out and we'll get going from there. So follow me. Stern line's not really, the spring line's not really doing anything. A little bit, but not much in this situation. So by releasing this, it's still not going to go forward because the stern line is preventing. See how the stern line is real tight? See how that stern line is real tight? That's not going to allow the boat to come forward into the dock. All right, camera lady, you want to hand me the camera? Okay, come on board. Don't trip. Okay. Now I'm going to release these lines, guys, but before I do, what you want to do is you want to make sure your engine is always straight, so as soon as you go to engage the transmission, you're not getting pushed or pulled in any way that is going to throw you off. So let's just make sure it's nice and straight. Okay, engine straight, we're ready to rock. I'm going to throw these lines, and immediately we're going to get pushed forward and this way. So when I release the lines, I'm going to push off this 4x4 decently to bring us out in between these two docks here. So let's do it. This line is loose. Stern line off. Push on the 4x4. Engage in reverse. Perfect. Now back into neutral. Let that momentum work for you. I'm going to turn the motor about halfway to the right and put it in reverse for about another 2 seconds. Back to neutral. Let the boat rotate. Reverse one more time. 1,000, 2 1,000. Neutral. Wheel all the way to the left. Forward. 1,000, 2 1,000. Now we're straight down the fairway. The only other thing I want to say is, being that we know how the wind is going to push us towards these docks, we want to favor the docks to our left, so if we start getting pushed, we have plenty of time to recover. Obviously, there's no traffic here today, so I can kind of go wherever I want in the fairway. Now we're in good shape, we're under control, and that does it for this video, guys. I hope you liked the video, and by the way, please like the video. Subscribe to the channel and check out the rest of our videos. Captain Rob, out.